Good morning!
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie care. Come on, baby.
Mga loves, it's Saturday today and we are going to Buho.
Pupu.
Pupunta kami ng merkado. Magmamarket kami today kasi when we went there last time, I noticed na sobrang mura ng mga manok tsaka ng mga ibang bilihin doon, pati prutas.
I'm eating chocolate cookies.
Yeah, oatmeal cookies yung kinakain niya. Yeah. And then, kaya iti-try namin today while I'm free. Kasi bukas pa yung trabaho ko. So, naglalaba lang kami si Dada. Kinukuha yung mga mag-grocery na din kami. Ha?
The crates outside.
What crates?
Black ones.
Maybe. Maybe in your car. I don't know.
No.
Waiting. Waiting for my mom and Dada. I like Dada so much. My mom and the baby bear. On the out on the go.
Anak, we need this sa Andun. It's better. Yeah? Yeah. Going to change your shoes kasi malamig. Still a little bit cold outside. So, ito muna mag-snowballs muna siya.
No, which is better.
It's better. Because this is warm. Kasi nasa labas yung market, diba? Put it up. It's good.
How do it?
Is that? Malamig, bawal magkasakit.
Ma, you're busy.
Huh?
You busy?
Go, put it up. I'm gonna wear your much, okay? Do not make yourself dirty lang ka.
I'm copying Mom and the baby bear. Mama the baby bear. Mama the baby bear. Mama the baby bear. Mama the baby bear.
I know. Is it raining, Dada? No, I'm afraid if I'm going to use my shoes and then it's going to rain then.
I'm not going to there. I'm not
No,
going to
Maya.
that. And
Oops, because it's warm.
and all the gosh. The you and all the gosh there on the story and go so wow. What I think in lunch and something else, dog? Something else? In lunch only
In English.
in English. I in lunch and English I better.
Yeah, in England, the English are better.
And I'll just go. Mother's a baby bear.
Be careful.
Mother's a baby bear.
How was your sleep?
Very good.
Hey, ator. Oh. Yummy. Punta na kami ng market. Ito wala na yung crack. Pinalitan kahapon ni Bana. So normally, bayad daw dun is 500 something. So dahil may insurance, 75 euro na lang binayaran ni Dada.
Oh, that's also good one.
The good one.
Good ones with that.
You can sing good, ah?
That's also six the finger. Also good.
Yeah.
One.
This is inside.
What is me? I'm scared. Mama, I'm scared.
Why?
I'm scared, Mama.
Nay. You always do the other side. It's closed. Na Dada, leave Dada alone.
Mama, monkey can see.
Go, go. Uy, may magnet na. Magnet, you won't touch. Yeah. Hey, the dwarf cake. Going to get some banana chips.
Oh, yeah.
Alvia, deze ook nog.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Mama, I see it. Mama, I see an
Yeah.
look there. Something else. Mama, also pepper.
Nee, Dada don't want it anymore.
Too strong.
Deze for €5. It's 300 gram. Let's try.
100 gram. Just 100 gram. Just 100 gram.
It's okay, then we can help her. You reach it now? Yes, good. Ah! That's good.
Yum, yum, yum. Heavy water.
What? Yeah, you need to carry it because you drink water also. Oops, come on. Dad is coming. So we're home.
Oh, you do have? Do you have this?
What is that?
What's the fly?
Oh yeah! Tignan nyo, we bought fly. Ito yung ano,
Mini fly.
mini fly. Ganun siya. We have
Rice?
rice and apple crumble.
No, it's caramel.
Huh?
Pudding.
Crumble.
Pudding.
I will try to make that also myself. Ito, nabili namin sa market. $5.50.
Can make
And then,
that
of
yourself as well.
course,
Can make that yourself as well.
Of course, Sophia didn't like this. I'll bring this to work. If you want to have this, Dada. Huh? Oh, I can do that better. And my banana chips. Yeah. 3 for €5. 3 for €5. And then we bought this one. Ano ito? Mixed nuts.
It's nuts. Stop eating my nuts.
A walnut,
Stop eating my nuts.
cashew, and pistachio.
Stop eating my nuts.
This is yours?
Yeah. You got yours there.
Unsalted. That's a fresh.
Why put them back in the bag? Why put them back in the bag? You can put them away.
Yeah?
Why put them back in the bag when you can put them away?
Okay. That one. Sophia requested for cereal. Yung sa kanya is Rice Krispies.
My Rice Krispies.
English na English. British. Ito, Volcoren para sa akin din. And Dada's. And then, this is my cereal, mga loves. High in weight and brand fiber. Meron tayong apples. In case gusto kong gumawa ng ano. Then, this is for salad. Like that. Ito lang, oh, maliit lang. Bread. Then, ito, croissant. Ito din, €1.50 na to. Dito, para sa morning ulam, bread. Ito din yung para sa school ni Sophia.
Baon.
For food baon. Then, ito for salad. Ito, salad cheese. Ayan. Gatas. Itlog. Itlog ni Dada. Here. Fruits. Ito yung fruits na binili niya. And another yogurt. So, then, eto lang. Ayan. That's it. So, nakakain na ako ng breakfast lunch. Cereal lang yung halab. Then, eto yung mga manok na binili namin. As in, sobrang mahal ng manok dito sa Netherlands. Yung chicken fillet dito sa ibang tindahan, €9.50 sa 800 gram. Pero itong nabili ko, ano siya, 8.50 per kilo. Tapos, fresh pa, diba? So, 2 kilo binili ko, 2 buong chicken. Ito yung buong chicken. Parang ano din to, 1 kilo, €5 lang to sa merkado. Sa merkado, mga laps, €5. So, bumili ako niyan. Bumili na ako ng liver. And then, bumili ako ng wings. Wings siya na may kasamang, ano ba yun, yung isang part na pwedeng ano, para kay Sophia to. Mahilig kasi siya sa manok. Mahilig siya sa manok. At saka, akala ko mincemeat kasi yung hinahanap ko na manok. Wale. So, eto siya, yung para sa sausage na may marinate na siya, may lasa na. So, ito yung binili ko. Bali, 100 gram is 90 cents. Ito. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo ako makita sa aking Facebook account, Yen West po. Pwede niyo ako i-follow doon. Ayan. So, wala lang. Simpleng grocery lang. Yung nagastos namin today is something like 40 sa manok. And then, sa grocery namin is 100 something. Plus, dun sa market, yung mga bread at saka yung peanut. Ano siya? Nasa 10 plus 20, 10 plus 12. Yun yung nagastos namin. So, gusto ko sana ano, alam nyo, napunta kami sa market, medyo nadismaya kami kasi wala doon yung manok. Yung manok na pinuntahan namin sa market, close sila today kasi nga madami daw nagbabakasyon, wala silang tao. So, pumunta kami dun sa tindahan. Actually, alam namin kung saan. Medyo distansya nga lang kasi doon din ako dati nagtatrabaho ba doon banda. So, kaya alam ko kung saan banda nakakabili ng murang manok. And, pati din yung sa mga gulay, tsaka sa mga prutas, hindi masyadong madami yung mga benta nila ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Siguro dahil sa weather, basta konting-konti lang. So, kaya wala ako nabili masyadong madami na mga prutas. Mga konti lang binili namin, tsaka gulay.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie care.